You're gonna love the 2023 Toyota Corolla. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an affordable, efficient Corolla that offers a smooth ride, agile handling, desirable standard safety features, a comfortable cabin that's surprisingly roomy, and appointed with high-quality materials and amenities, all wrapped in head-turning style. Feel relaxed and comfortable when you're behind the wheel of this stylish Corolla. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.